Now let's have a quick overview on each brand. Let's start with SOLIDWORKS. SOLIDWORKS is probably one of the most well-known design software solutions in the world. It's mainly known for easy-to-use 3D CAD, and it helps engineering and design teams create product faster from the first concept to detailed 3D models, assemblies, and manufacturing drawings. So when we talk about SOLIDWORKS, think about accessible product design, mechanical design, engineering documentation, and product innovation. It's one of the key brands inside the Dassault Systèmes portfolio, especially for engineers, designers, students, startups, and companies that need powerful CAD tool without unnecessary complexity. Then we have CATIA. CATIA is one of the most powerful and advanced design solutions in the Dassault Systèmes portfolio. While SOLIDWORKS is widely known for easy-to-use mechanical design and mainstream 3D CAD, CATIA is usually used for more complex product design, systems engineering, and advanced surface modeling. You will often find CATIA in industries like aerospace, automotive, transportation, and industrial equipment, where companies need to design very complex products with a high level of control. So in a simple word, CATIA is mainly focused on advanced product design and engineering for complex products and complex industries. Then we have GEOVIA. GEOVIA is focused on modeling and managing the natural resources and Earth environment. It helps companies in areas like mining, geology, and infrastructure understand what is happening underground, plan better, and make smarter decisions using data and 3D modeling. Then we have BIOVIA. BIOVIA is focused on science, research, and the life science. It helps scientists and companies manage scientific data, model biological and chemical materials, and improve research and development workflows, especially in areas like chemicals and healthcare. Then we have SIMULIA. SIMULIA is focused on realistic simulation. It helps engineers test and validate product performance virtually so they can understand things like stress, motion, fluids, thermal behavior, and other real-world conditions before building physical prototypes. DELMIA is focused on manufacturing and operations. It helps companies plan, simulate, and optimize how products are manufactured so they can improve production processes, manage factories better, and connect the design with real manufacturing.